Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today I'm going to teach you how to install the Blur extension on Google Chrome. Now, what I need you to do is come down here to the bottom left hand corner of your screen, click on the search bar and type up Google Chrome. Then from there what I want you to do is to grab the URL that I put in the description and paste it into your search bar. It'll take you straight to the Chrome Web Store. So right click and paste. And then from there, what I need you to do is come up here to the search bar in the top left hand corner and just look up Blur. Then from there, you just click on the first extension. It take you to this page where it has like a blue Add to Chrome button. Just click on it. Then from there, a little box is going to pop up and it's just asking you if you want to add the extension. You just click Add Extension. And then from there, it's going to install Blur onto Google Chrome. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.